Hey everybody, what's up? I'm feeling a little better today, but my hair isn't. Let's see. I'll respond to that text in a minute. Do you like my hair? What's my hair look like right now? Let's find out. I look like I just escaped from the loony bin. Can you see my hair? Is this a new trend? Should I wear my hair like this? Look at that. I'm looking at myself. I was like, oh, I'm liking. I'm digging this. This thing right here. Look at that. Oh, right there. That's the coolest thing in the world. Anyway, I gotta turn off my webcam because this is gonna just make me laugh the entire time. I knew my hair was bad. I got one comment. I knew my hair was bad, but I didn't know it was that bad. So, yeah. Just a second. I'm thirsty after that laugh. So, yeah. I was out there snow blowing, but my mom's out there now. Pretty much, the snow is incredibly high up. See those bushes? Yeah. Usually you can see completely down. I'm like, zoomed in. Alright. So, let me try to... Jeez, this is bad. Bad quality. Okay, let me zoom in. The ground is right there. It goes all the way up to there. Doesn't look like much, but over there, there's a lot. And down by the street, there's a lot. Ow! I really need to get new blinds. Apparently, I know exactly what Jaylene's texting me about. She wants to know if she can have this shirt. I just got it for Christmas, so I'm not sure. But I'm not wearing pants. Yeah, I'm a no pants guy right now. I'm exhausted. My hair is so awesome. I'm gonna wear this like this every day. Can you tell I haven't showered? Can you tell I haven't showered? Anyway, right now I'm trying to solve a puzzle on Assassin's Creed 2. It says, alright, masters all, they did not work but ruled from on high. And it's like 5 matching pictures and I don't know. So I'm looking online, I'm like, help me. And I can't figure it out. I got like 4 of the pictures make sense for me. 4 of the pictures make sense except for one. I can't find another one because it's like, maybe it's people who are working. Maybe that's what the 5 pictures have in common. Because there's 6 pictures of people who are working, 4 pictures of people who are not. I got that one. Can't tell if that person's, I don't know. Yeah, so, digging the desk. That's dusty. I don't know why. Told my mom to get ginger ale and she got Refresher. The Safeway brand. Or Dominic's if you don't know. So, Dominic's. Your ginger ale sucks. It's watered down, let me just tell you. Fix it. Fix it, Safeway. Fix it. Make it right. Make it like, just go steal like Canada Dry's recipe or something. We all know that most, like, off-brands and name brands are the same stuff. We all know that. Just steal it. Anyway, oh, you know what? I haven't really been using this much except for, I found it last night, but not a bad thing. Bad thing to use when you have a cough. Anyway, yeah, just relaxing today. I really hope I'm not getting my leg in the picture. But I'm not doing any editing. Nope, no editing. Dang it. There's all my socks. I'm not going to show you because my underwear is right next to it. Some of you want to see creeps. Creeps. Except for one person. You know who you are. Anyway, just relaxing. Anyway, I really hope my mom finishes snow blowing the driveway because I was out there for like an hour. And what she had to do was push it, pull it back, push it, pull it back, push it, pull it back, keep moving forward. Push it, pull it back, move forward, push it. Oh, it was exhausting. Just an hour and a half, and we went through the entire tank of gas that was in the snowblower because that's how high it's. In some areas, like 2 feet tall, in some areas, 5 inches. It's crazy. Some areas, it's 3 feet tall. It's crazy because the wind is blowing really hard. So some areas it was above where the chute for my snowblower is, where it shoots out the snow. Sometimes it was above that, and I'm like, crap, what do I do now? So I just stopped the snowblower and I just started beating the snow down. I was like, ooh, this is fun. Got out my frustration. I'm wearing my derp glasses. That's what they're called. That's it for today. I'm exhausted unless something interesting happens later, which I doubt anything interesting will happen. I'll talk to you. Wow, both my original Xbox and my 360 are on. I work tomorrow. 7:30 to 11:30. Tomorrow's Thursday, right? Yep, 7:30 to 11:30. You're gonna need a big cup of coffee, either that or a 5-hour energy. I think I'll have to go with like what I did last Thursday. 5-hour energy and 3 cups of coffee. I think that's what I'll have to do. Just down those cups of coffee. Down the 5-hour energy to make me not yawn. No, to make me not tired. And 3 cups of coffee to prevent this. To prevent that. Anyway, 8 minutes, that's a good time. I'm gonna go try to finish this puzzle, and I'll talk to you guys later.